Mary, the tomato sauce is ready. Can you check it?
Sure. Let me taste it. Ooh, it is very spicy.
Spicy? I added chili by mistake. Too much chili.
How much did you add?
I think 3 spoons. The recipe says 1.
Okay, we have a problem. The guests arrive in 30 minutes.
Can we fix it?
Yes, add more tomato. It will reduce the spice.
Good idea. I have fresh tomatoes here.
Also, add a little sugar. It helps a lot.
Sugar in tomato sauce?
Yes, it is a chef's trick. Try it.
Okay, I'm adding it now. Stirring.
How does it smell?
Better. Much better. Can you taste it again?
Yes, this is good now. Nice work, John.
Thank you, Mary. You saved the dish.
We saved it. That is teamwork.
Next time, I read the recipe 2 times.
Good plan. Now, let's plate the pasta.